If you want to get a steady flow of clients from Telegram, this video is for you. Maybe you already have a lot of subscribers and post content, but still don't get any results. In this video, I will show you 3 steps to get a steady flow of clients from Telegram. So let's get straight into it. Now I have several Telegram channels and get a steady flow of clients for my advertisers and for my own businesses. Step 1. The problem is that many people are obsessed with growing the number of subscribers on their Telegram channels. They think if the channel large enough, the clients will appear automatically. Maybe because they will be impressed by the numbers. But in reality, you don't need a lot of subscribers. You can get more clients from a small channel with 1000 high-quality subscribers than from a channel with millions of random followers. For example, one of my Telegram channel about Telegram marketing has 4500 relevant subscribers and gets more views than a channel with almost 2 million followers. And it works the same way with clients. So it's crucial to get the right subscribers who are interested in your topic, service or product. There are many free and paid ways to attract quality subscribers. For example, one of the free ways that I like a lot is to attract people who read your long-form content on your website or on platforms like LinkedIn, Indie Hackers, Medium and so on. In this example, I added a link to my Telegram channel about data analytics in my article on the Medium platform. People who read the article and want to learn more subscribe my Telegram channel. These are very high-quality subscribers because they went through a marketing funnel. First, they search for information about data analytics. Second, they read the article. After that, they decided they wanted to learn more about the topic and about me, so they joined my Telegram channel. These people are much warmer leads than people who just simply click on an advertisement, because they made several steps before visiting my Telegram channel. You can also attract high-quality subscribers using paid methods, such as Telegram ads or advertising in relevant Telegram channels. But you need to be very careful with advertising on Telegram ads or other Telegram channels, because you can also get irrelevant subscribers if you run ads incorrectly or promote your channel in unrelated channels, especially in channels with many bots. And you must be very careful because some Telegram marketing methods can bring low-quality subscribers. For example, cheap advertising. Some companies promise large numbers of subscribers at a low price, but the traffic is often low quality or poorly targeted. By the way, I have a course on Telegram marketing where I explain how to attract high-quality subscribers in details. Click the link below to learn more. Step 2. Alright, now you have subscribers. Sales on your Telegram channel happen through content logic. Every post is a step in a funnel, not just a separate piece of content. What content should you post to get clients from Telegram? The first type is expert content. Share your expertise. Examples: explaining methods, analyzing trends, sharing deep insights about your topic. The goal is to position yourself as an expert and build trust. In this example, I analyze a common mistake in Telegram channels: poorly written content. I break down why the post on the left performs badly and explain the key problems. Then I show what good content should include. This type of content demonstrates expertise because it analyzes real problems and teaches users how to improve their own Telegram posts. Another type of content is case studies. Share real examples from your work. Explain what the problem was, what you did, what results you achieved. The goal is to prove that you can solve real problems. This post shows a real example of how Telegram can help grow and monetize a business. I explained the client's problem, what strategy we used, and what results we got. By sharing a real case, I show that my advice comes from real work with clients, not just theory. Another type of content is behind the scene content. Show how you work. Not we are the best, but real processes and real work. The goal is to build trust and transparency. In this post, I share what I'm currently learning and how I improve my marketing skills. I explain that I take courses on advertising and marketing and apply this knowledge in my work. This shows the real process behind my work and helps build trust with audience. Step 3. Get clients from Telegram. At some point, subscribers realize that free content has limit. To achieve deeper results, they need your product or service. This is where you make an offer. From time to time, publish posts with a clear offer. In this post, I offer my Telegram marketing consultation. I explain who it is for and add a link where people can book a session. This type of posts helps convert interested subscribers into clients. In the end, let me show you another successful example on Telegram. The travel company Aviasales uses its Telegram channel to promote its service for finding cheap flights. They post entertaining content and sometimes add a link to their website or Telegram bot where people can search for tickets. Aviasales is one of the best examples how to get clients from Telegram. Without a clear path, subscribers don't become clients. You need a Telegram marketing funnel. When the funnel is built correctly, Telegram becomes a powerful way to get clients. For more information, check out my Telegram marketing course, the complete course on how to promote and monetize a Telegram channel, run Telegram ads, and create content that boosts your business. If you want me to review your Telegram channel or Telegram ads, you can book a consultation.